Welcome to the Land to House YouTube channel. I'm Seth. I have been diligently building on this workshop now for over 5 months, and I have got piles of junk everywhere that I want to clean up so that I can get in here to do some more work. Vevor has sent over some of these storage boxes, and they are collapsible and easy to work with. So let's unbox this real quick and then get to work storing some of my stuff so we can put these on some shelves. Let's open up the box and see what these storage bins look like here. First of all, there is an instruction manual here. You have some information on these totes. We'll check that out in just a bit. There are some protective foam covers here on the corners. Now this is the entire set right here. It's got a lid and the box. Check that out. This thing packs down so small. Would easily fit behind a truck seat for sure. So there's the first one. Here is the second one. That's just the same. And then lastly, we've got the third one down here. Let's open one of these up and see what it looks like when it is totally assembled. So here is the lid. It is plastic and it's a little bit flexible, but I think would be able to support some weight on top of there. And then here is the box itself. So I'm thinking if I were to pull up on the sides, this thing would pop into place. Let's see what we get. Yep, very fun. All right, and that there folds down to complete the box. Hey, check that out. I like that a lot. Just a little storage box that will allow us to put all kinds of goodies in there. I can pop the sides and they will snap into place, and that will prevent this from collapsing on us. Very good. Nice and rigid. Let's try out the lid. Does it snap? Kind of. Not really. Yeah, okay, so the lid just sits on there and does not snap. Well, that was pretty easy. Let's go ahead and pop the second one together so you can see the two of them side by side. I'm actually looking forward to getting these together so I can put some of my tools in and hopefully organize this place a little bit better. All right, so just pops up the sides, you press in like that, and then once the sides are together in here, you can reach in and press them to snap everything together. Yeah, super quick to do that. And then put the top on there. Let's see how well these will nest together. Oh yeah, for sure, they lock in and they don't want to fall off, so that's really good. Now let's say you are done using these and you want to store it again. Let's see, pop the lid off. Let's see how we get these down. Okay, yeah, just a pretty good hit on the side. We'll drop that out, pull this up, and then collapse that. Okay, that is nice. Very quick and easy to do. Oh yeah, if you were in a hurry, that is the way to do it right there. You can easily get some of these put together in just mere seconds. So you can hold your thumbs in the top there when you carry it, and then you've got the carrying handle on the side, and the bottom has that pattern, so it would probably collect a little bit of dirt if you stuck it in the ground, but other than that, good traction wherever you're going to be setting this down. Okay, for the time being, let's put some of this stuff in these boxes just to get it out of my work area real quick. So for instance, electrical stuff, some zip ties, a Tyvek tape, just this kind of stuff that I won't be using here for a while most likely. So just going to get some of this up and out of the way. I've got my pipe cutters and then some drill bits. Just a whole bunch of random stuff that I want off of this table so I can work. I'm about to start installing some storage shelves up here in my building, and I'm going to have to move this table out of the way. Now this is just a temporary home for this stuff at the moment. I'm actually going to be using these totes from Vevor to move around some of my laser engraving product whenever that business gets started here very soon. So just keep that in mind, that I just need to get this stuff out of the way for now. And I'm really thankful that Vevor sent over these boxes for this kind of a purpose right here. This is the model number X6275. It's a 3-box set. Color is black, volume is 65 liters. The product size is 595 by 390 by 315 millimeters, which is the same as 2 foot by 1.3 feet by 1 foot. And the load capacity is 30 kilograms or 66 pounds. I'd say that's about 30 pounds right there, so we're about halfway to this thing's capacity. I kind of like having the place here on the lid where you can stick a thumb into it. It's convenient. I set up this wire shelf so I can store stuff here, and I think it's going to be a perfect place to put this Vevor storage box. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, definitely. Fits in there with a little bit of extra clearance to go. Now I've got construction tools in here now, but in the future, my plan for these boxes is to have my laser engraving blanks or other stuff related to lasers in there. Let's say I have finished engraving something and I have to haul it over to be sanded. I can put it in this box, walk over there and do that without having to worry about carrying individual pieces. So very good. I like that it fits here on my wire shelf very well. That first box has somewhere around 30 to 35 pounds worth of stuff in it, and it is doing just fine. So here's a closer look at the top of the box. It does have that pattern on there, which will keep things from sliding off. Probably also adds a little bit of extra strength having that as well. Same with the sides. It's got that pattern on there, and you can see a closer look at the handle and how that is going to allow you to carry this around. Now, Vevor did send these over to me, and I am very thankful they did. I'm about to put these to good use here in my workshop. So if you want to check out these boxes, I will have a link to the website in the description down below. I have used several Vevor products over the past couple of years, and so far I'm not disappointed in any of them. So definitely check out these storage boxes down below. All right, that's all I got for you today. These storage boxes are going to come in handy. Definitely check those out in the description down below. I'm Seth with the Land of House channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.